Well, hey guys, I have decided to help you out by creating a video simply comparing the types of exponents in this past week's lesson. If I compare them side by side, and as you look at them, you should be able to determine what type it is and what operation it is that you need to use. So if we're looking here, right here, it says multiplying the same base with exponents. So the example given in the Active Inspire slide or Google slide showed these examples right here. So if you look, these have the same base, they're both 2, and then these are your exponents. And they said if we're multiplying the same base with exponents, all we do is simply add the exponents. So 3 plus 6 is 9. So the final answer is 2 to the power of 9. Now, if they gave, and same thing here, 3 to the power of 1, which typically they might just show 3 times 3 to the power of 3. You're expected to know that there is only 1 3 there. And so usually in math, they don't write to the power of 1. They just keep it as 1. But in this case, we helped you out and showed 3 to the power of 1 times 3 to the power of 3. So therefore, it's 1 plus 4 is 5. And if they give you any kind of base, which that's when we start using our variables, that it can apply to any base number that matches. They both have to be the same number. This is x to the power of 2, x to the power of 4, so 2 plus 4, x to the power of 6. So that is what multiplying them looks like. So when you go to do your Google form, if it looks like this, you're adding the exponents. If you have on the Google form something that looks like this is dividing the same base with exponents. So here we have 2 5s, both the same base, and 6 minus 2, because our exponent is 6, our exponent is 2. So 6 minus 2 is 4. So 5 to the power of 4. This one, same thing, same base, both 8s. 9 and 4 are our exponents, so we subtract them. 9 take away 4 gives us 5. So same base, 9 take away 4, 5. So here we have, again, any variable that will work for any number with the same base. So in this case, they said y to the power of 10 and to the power of 7. So we know if we're dividing and it's set up like this, we're subtracting. So 10 take away 7 is 3. So y to the power of 3. And finally, we have multiplying quantities of the same base and exponent with exponents. So right here, this looks different. And if you compare, so these are multiplying, dividing. This is multiplying, but it's multiplying in a different way. These are quantities of 5 to the power of 3 to the power of 2. So in this case, we are multiplying 5 to the power of 3 2 times. So we simply take the exponents, 3 and 2, and we multiply them. So then it becomes 5 to the power of 3 times 2, which is 6. 5 to the power of 6. Here we go again with 8 to the power of 2, 5 times. So we're going to multiply 2 times 5. They show that right here. Same base, 8 to the power of 2 times 5, 8 to the power of 10. Again, any number, this works in any situation as long as they have the same base number, and in this case, x, and then x to the power of 5 times the quantity, or the quantity of x to the power of 5 3 times. So then we again multiply 5 times 3, which gives us 15. So if you look at this as your help sheet, These are the simplified examples when we're multiplying exponents, same base, dividing same base with exponents, and then multiplying quantities of the same base and exponent with exponents. So use this as your help sheet.
Amen.